artists. So I have a really fun lesson for us today. For today, all you will need for this lesson is paper and a pencil or any other kind of writing material just to kind of help you get an idea. And you're using today to just kind of sketch out your ideas for a treehouse. So it's really kind of fun. You get to use a lot of your creativity to kind of plan this out. So the first thing I'm doing here is I am just roughly sketching a tree, right? Because it's a treehouse design, so it makes kind of sense to include a tree. And mine is going to sit between two branches. Obviously, yours does not have to look like mine. We're going to use our creativity here, and we're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to design a treehouse. So I'm just kind of planning out, what do I want my treehouse to look like, okay? Is there a rope swing hanging off of my treehouse? And other fun little elements like that, okay? How will you get into the treehouse? Is there a big archway? And I'm going to do a little ladder that leads up to the second level. So use your imagination today, artists. Have a lot of fun with it. Remember, this first part is only just a sketch, okay? And you can include whatever you want. If you want an in-ground pool coming out of your treehouse, you can have that. Maybe your treehouse is filled with animals because you love animals, and you wanted to have that. And you can kind of draw the inside. So maybe here's my inside. There's going to be ladders leading up to all these different levels, okay? And you're going to think, what do I want to include inside my treehouse, right? What do I want to include outside of my treehouse? And you're really going to have a lot of fun with this, okay? Today is all about sketching out your designs, okay? Nothing is going to be complete or perfect, and I don't even want you to add color. Even if you have colored supplies, I want you to save that step for when you live stream in next week, okay? So I'm going to keep working on this. I won't continue my recording, so this will be like the shortest demo of all time. But it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun for you to kind of use your imagination, plan out this awesome treehouse design. If you're stumped and you don't know where to even begin with this, maybe you could Google different pictures of tree houses and get some inspiration that way. Okay, so that's just kind of a way for you to get started on this project, but I want you to have fun. I don't want you to stress out over this. Just show me your best treehouse design. When you are all done, same thing as always, you're going to sign your work. Then you will use your Chromebook, take a photo of what you've done, and then you will turn in that photo under, it will probably be Treehouse Part 1 for this assignment, okay? Good luck, artists, and have fun.